hydraulic cylinder head glands play a crucial role in sealing the system. They keep pressurized hydraulic fluid inside the cylinder, preventing leaks between the piston rod and the cylinder head. In this study, we'll explore how ferritic ion plasma nitrocarburizing can enhance head glands made from steel-grade 11SMN30. These components must meet several requirements. Wear and galling resistance must be improved for longer service life. Threads must remain within tolerance for smooth, easy assembly. And corrosion resistance must be increased to protect against harsh operating environments. As explained in our earlier video on ferritic ion plasma nitrocarburizing, when a steel grade lacks strong nitride-forming alloy elements, we do a nitrocarburizing process to create a slightly thicker white layer compared to standard ion nitriding. Since 11SMN30 lacks these alloying elements, we are going to do just that. The process is followed with post-oxidation in the same chamber. A surface hardness measurement after the process shows a hard, wear-resistant case with compressive stress, which gives significantly improved resistance to wear, scuffing, and galling resistance on both threads and spanner holes. Because of the low Ferritic process temperature, there are no distortions, and the thread stays in tolerance. The magnetite black layer, formed on top as a result of the post-oxidation, boosts corrosion resistance and adds lubricity, further reducing galling and easing assembly. And of course, as a bonus to the increased corrosion resistance, post-oxidation creates this nice-looking, uniform technical black finish. There are some other possibilities for treatment of these types of parts, but they each have their disadvantages compared to nitriding. Carburizing, which is a through hardening, gives a good wear resistance, but distortion ruins the thread fit. Zinc coating gives better corrosion, but poor wear and galling properties on threads. And hard chrome coating has good wear and corrosion properties, but adds thickness, requires laborious finishing, and faces increasing regulatory restrictions. Ferritic ion plasma nitrocarburizing with post-oxidation is a very suitable heat treatment for hydraulic cylinder head glands, achieving excellent results as wear resistance, corrosion protection, dimensional stability, and technical appearance.
Ionitech. Technology, solutions, expertise.